What's up, guys? So I did a little holiday shopping, or what are holiday sale shopping. I don't know, everyone's a Cyber Monday deals and different deals, whatever. So I have actually have a couple products from this company already. It's called Hexbrand. They make backpacks and different things. So I finally ordered a clothing bag and a over-the-shoulder bag. So they came in today or yesterday, sorry, and I'll open it up. I'll show you my existing big bags, and I'll show you the new small one I got. And they're pretty cool. They've worked great. I've traveled with them many times. I haven't had any rips. The zippers are awesome and they're greatly padded. So let's check out this new one here, and maybe you guys will be interested and order one up. So I ordered two bags here. Here's the camera one, and I ordered a kind of clothing bag here for small trips, stuff like that. So open this one up first, take a look at it. So it's cool, camo, nice padded bottom here. Got the clips on the handles so you can keep it together nicely. But it'll do good for quick day trips, a couple day trips. It's got a good amount of space in there, so it's nice. It's got their logos and stuff on the inside. I've always loved their backpacks, great quality, so I finally ordered a regular bag to take on trips. So yeah, it's just called their duffel bag. I'm not sure if it says how big it is. But it was a decent sized one. So it's camo and blue. Got all their info on there, designed in the USA. They had a local showroom down in LA. You have to go pick them up from. Oh, it comes with an over-the-shoulder handle also. But this one I actually ordered from their site, and it was delivered to my house with all this craziness we have going on in the world. So I think it's pretty sweet. But the main thing I ordered for them is for my camera gear. So this is it's not new, but this is the newer style one. They made a bigger one. It's their DSLR Sling. Yeah, gray camo. I have their backpack that's good matching gray camo, and then I have a older backpack that is like a green camo. So this is the bigger size one. They make a smaller one also, but this one will you put the camera here on the top. It's got dividers there, so you can kind of partition it off how you want. You can put the camera here, kind of block it off, put a lens here, or a flash, whatever else you want to bring with you. It's got a little zipper stash up on the top here. Put your extra random goodies. And I believe this is double pocket here. So there's a front pocket here, slide stuff in. And then there's the second pocket here. That's all along the top of it. And that's got a bunch of partitions in it. A couple little pockets in there. Thing where you can clip something on there, so you put your keys or whatever and clip in and out. And then on the back, it's got an extra, it's like an extra handle here. Maybe put it over your rolling tote. And it's got a waterproof cover here also. So it's got their logo on it. So this thing perfectly goes, wraps around it. If you're running around like on your bike or something, still got to get somewhere real quick, cover it up with the cover and you won't get all wet. So I think that's pretty cool. It's nice that it's built into it, so you can switch over to that quick and easy. And then stuff it back into itself. And this is the cool little handle here. Oh, and there's also another zipper here. So that's a good size. Oh, so this is where we can put your smaller iPad, your phone, I guess, but a little big for your phone. But I don't know, maybe these iPhones are pretty big now It's actually a decent size for that. Just slap it in there. But yeah, I think it's mainly made for like an iPad. But super nice, great build quality. Oh, it's got some extra straps here. It's cool. Strap everything tighter. I think maybe you loosen it up, it expands a little bit too. And it's got, oh yeah, I think you loosen them all up, it does fully expand it a little bit. And you can also strap things on there, maybe a tripod, whatnot. And the shoulder harness here, clips. And it's also got a cushioned pad here. And I believe this one here has the little secret Velcro pocket there. Toss a couple of random things in there. Oh, the bottom one does too. So they both sides have it. So that's pretty cool. You put little things in there, put some change in there for parking meter or hide random things. But yeah, it's pretty sweet. So then the matching bag I have. So I actually have the matching larger bag of theirs. So it's the same design. The matching one's the bigger design here. So it's the same print pattern. Just this one's a lot bigger. And it's got the pockets in the back so you can put all your camera gear in there. But just do a quick little day trip. You bring the one that's quarter the size. You put basic body in there, one lens, a flash, and iPad or something, and you're good to go. You do quick little day trips, small little project. But they're awesome bags. Never had a problem with the zippers, which is a big thing on a lot of the bags. And yeah, just totally recommend all these products. They'll probably have another sale. I know they randomly have some holiday sales going on. Maybe they'll have another one for Christmas or after Christmas sale, I don't know. But I bought this one on sale. I bought this one last year at the end of the year. I believe they had a sale also. It was right before the end of the year. You got to go to those last little tax write-off products buys in, so that's when I bought that one. But I love them. So yeah, it's definitely, you'll see it in use and a bunch more behind the scenes shots. But definitely take a look at their site and maybe you order one up.